In this section, we'll talk about something very exciting. The largest ecosystem of open source code in history, and what gives you access to it, NPM, the Node Package Manager. For our first lecture, a conceptual aside, packages and package managers. Big word alert. A package. When it comes to software and package managers, a package is code. That's really it. It's just a collection of code that works, and you can use it in your code. And it's managed and maintained with a package management system, so that makes it a package. You manage and maintain it inside the system, and when it's inside that system, it's called a package. So, what is a package management system? Big word alert. A package management system. Software that automates installing and updating packages. So, your package then gets installed via this system. The code gets installed via this system. And it gets updated to new versions via this package management system, this software that does that for you, rather than you having to manually download it and figure out which version you have and which the new version is, etc. And it deals then not just with what you have or need as far as the version of that code, but it manages dependencies. Well, big word alert. A dependency. Code that another set of code depends on to function. So your code, if you use a package in your code, you depend on that package. You depend on that other code. And the package might itself have dependencies, where it depends on other code to work, etc., etc. So this can get really crazy if you don't have a good package management system to know what code depends on what code, so that ultimately you can use these different packages, these different blocks of code, these different sets of modules, some are small, some very large, in order to provide features that are already written for you to use. And if your app depends on something, that's exactly what it is. It's a dependency. So it's a simple idea. Packages are just code that are ready to be used, and a package management system then enables us to download that package, install it into our software to use, and update it when new versions come out. All right, let's look at versioning then.